So in this video, I'm going to share with you what I think is one of the easiest way to make money, because in this method, every single step of the process is pretty much done for you. You don't have to think about whether you need to host a website, or you don't need to think about how to promote it. Everything is taken care for you. All you need to do is follow the steps I'm about to outline on this video, and you're going to be making money automatically. So think about it like making money on autopilot, all right? And definitely watch this video until the end, because at the end I'm going to show you a couple of extra tips and tricks that are going to help this method even further. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to think about a celebrity. Okay, this could be a movie celebrity, but let's narrow it down to like a YouTube celebrity, right? Now, this could be any celebrity, but for the purpose of this video, we're going to talk about certain concrete examples. So I have here YouTube tech celebs, okay? And I also talking about tech celebs. You don't have to do that, but it's gonna help you, as you will see. And so here's the list. There are various tech celebs, and I am in kind of the tech niche. I watch Unbox Therapy. I watch, reviews, tech product reviews. If you're in a different niche, then you're gonna have your own tech celebs. So you can think about those tech celebs, okay? But regardless of who you pick, this person that you're thinking about, they need to have some kind of name. They need to have some kind of recognition. You cannot pick somebody that nobody else knows about. And so they need to be at a certain level that they're kind of recognizable. They don't have to be like super recognizable, but they have to be recognizable to some level. And so there's this guy right here, right? MKBHD. I'm sure you have heard about him. He is a YouTuber. He has million views. And so for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be talking about him. And then later on in the video, I'm going to give you some examples. And so people like him, remember, it doesn't have to be him. People like him are known in a certain niche, okay? I can ask my sister. She's probably not going to know who this guy is. But people that are kind of in the tech niche, they know about this guy. And they're curious about this guy. They want to know what kind of clothes he wears, what kind of car he drives, what neighborhood he lives in, what kind of tech gear he uses, stuff like that. And we can leverage on that and make money with that. So for instance, we can do something like MKBHD. We can type something like this, equipment. Okay, so here is his desk setup and gear. And we're going to open it up. And we're going to see what they have. This is great, actually, because if it's a lesser known person, you have to do a little bit more research. But since this person is fairly well known, here's a list of all the product he uses. Now, this is a website. This is a website. This is a list. This is kind of what he does. And to find this website, you have to kind of stumble upon it, right? You have to Google for it. You have to do all these things. But what you guys need to understand is that this person is not just listing his stuff from, the bottom of his heart. I mean, he is probably, or she is, whoever is running this site, this person. But they're also making money, right? All of these links are affiliate links. Now, I don't want to create a website. I don't want to do any of that. I want it to be easier for me. I want to create something like this and promote it very easily. But I don't want to go out and create a website. I don't want to do hosting. I don't want to do all this crazy stuff. So there is a really easy way of doing. You can simply go to a website called kit.co. That's KIT.co. And if you go to the homepage, you're going to see various kits. Now, what's interesting about this is that most of these kits that you're going to see, collections of gear, stuff like that, they are actually created by the people themselves. But we're going to be taking a different twist. If I create my own kit, I'm not that recognizable. People aren't really going to care. They're not going to go and find my kit and say, hey, this is what James is using to film this YouTube video. They're not going to care. People care about people that have certain level of recognition, right? Certain level of authority even, right? And so what we're going to be doing is we're going to take a look at what people use here, and we are going to create the kit for a celebrity, right? And this is an amazing strategy, because not only is it going to be easy to promote, and I'm going to show you a little bit later in the video how to promote, but also unofficial sites. Like if I Google for unofficial sites, it's a whole niche in itself, right? We don't need to be this person to create a kit about, right? We don't need to be a famous YouTuber in order to create the kit. We can go out, we can create the kit for somebody else, and we can just call it unofficial kit for this, unofficial kit for that. So for instance, there are top 10 unofficial Lego websites. It's absolutely fine. I can create a Lego website without being associated with Lego. I can create a Photoshop website without being associated with Photoshop or Adobe. That happens all the time. You just have to say unofficial, or people will understand this is unofficial, right? And so what we're going to do, guys, is you're going to create your free account. As you can see, I'm already logged in, and we're going to create a kit. We're going to hit this plus button, and we're going to create the new kit. We're going to say unofficial. You don't even have to say it like that. You can just say, you can do something like this, gear unofficial, and you can describe it. This is everything and anything that we're going to go to next. And then you can add products to your kit. So you're going to go to this website that we found. And so, for instance, let's say you want to list this product. Okay, we can just copy this, go back here, and paste it here. And we're going to see results. And all we have to do is click. We just added this product. We can add it to our kit, right? We just added the product. Next, we're going to do the same. We're going to go in here. And let's say we want to add this Asus monitor, right? We're going to copy the link. Or we can just copy this. Or we can copy the link. We can copy the link right here. And so I just pasted the name of the monitor, and here's a couple of monitors. It does not need to be an exact monitor. As long as it's similar to it, that is absolutely fine. We're going to add it to kit, and we're going to go down the list. So for instance, how about this one right here? Yamaha HS8 Studio Monitor Speaker. We're going to paste it here, and let's see what happens. So here you go, HS8 Studio Monitor Speaker, black 8-inch. We're going to add to kit right here. And now we have 3 products. Let's add a couple of more just to kind of round it off a little bit, to have a little bit more products. We're going to add them here. Here's a universal audio twin USB high resolution USB interface. Try saying that 5 times fast. All right. We're going to add that to the kit. And we're going to add Logitech Master Wireless Mouse here. We're going to paste that. And how many products do we have? We have like 5 products now. Now, I would recommend creating a kit with like at least 10 products. 5 products is too little. As the more, the better. I would recommend at least 10. We're just going to do 5 for the purpose of this example. And now it's telling us, are you ready to share it? We're going to share it later. But we have the kit. Now we can share it. We can embed it. We can list it. We can do all kinds of things. We can even copy the link. And now we have the link. And now we can share. Now, once you set up your affiliate network, maybe you're using Amazon affiliates or something else, anytime they click on any of these links, you will be making money from, right? This is kind of the amazing part about it. And if you want to promote this, it's very easy to promote. You just go to places where people are interested in either tech, they're interested in a specific product, or they're interested in this person. Right? Whoever this person is, you're going to find community. So for instance, you can just Google for something like, what gear does MKBHD use? Okay, we're going to see. And then you're going to find various forums, right? This is the link we found. But you're going to find also communities, various forums, people talking about it. And then all you have to do is like, hey, I am a big fan of this guy. I created a kit. I created a list of gear that this person uses. Here's the full URL. You can check it out. It's very helpful. And it's never going to come across as spamming, as, just getting your links out there, as trying to make money at somebody else's expense. Because a lot of people, they just spam their affiliate links all over the place. And what I recommend is creating multiple kits in the same niche. So for instance, another person that's very, very similar to this guy is Peter McKinnon, right? So you can do something like this. Peter McKinnon, he's also like a very, very famous YouTuber. We can just take him and we can paste it here. Peter McKinnon gear, right? Gear list. There you go. This is his own site, right? This is his own site. Now, people have to find this site, but we can actually go out and we can create a kit based on that. That's going to be a lot more convenient for people. So here's a link. This is his gear, and we can just copy and copy the link. So this is checkout. You see this checkout link? you can just copy that, copy link, and then you're going to go back. So assuming this is a new kit, you just have to press this button. Let's just do it together. Create a new kit. We're going to do create a new kit. And we're going to say Peter McKinnon gear list, everything he uses. Okay, we're going to do next. So all you have to do is paste the name of the product here. It's going to find that product on Amazon. We're going to add it to the kit. And now we created another kit with another product. And what I recommend is creating like 3 kits of at least 10 products each. So that way you can say, hey, this is what Peter McKinnon uses. Or this is what MKBHD uses. Or here's Casey Neistat uses, right? All of these people are in the same niche. And they're going to be interested in not just one person. They're going to be interested in multiple people and what they're using. So it's going to be a really nice way to kind of connect everything together and show it to people. Now, where can you promote it? Well, this is the easy part, in my opinion. You can go to Facebook groups, like his fan group. So you can go to Peter McKinnon fan group or something like that. And you're going to find, here you go, Peter McKinnon's fans, right? Right on Facebook. You can go over there. You're going to find groups, you're going to find communities, you're going to find stuff on Twitter where you can go out and you can share his gear, and you're automatically going to be making from affiliate marketing. So this is an amazing method because you can start with absolutely, an idea, and everything is done for you. You don't need to create a website. You don't need to worry about promoting it. It's super easy to do, and you can create multiple kits and do it the way you want to do it. So that's what I recommend. 5 kits, at least 10 products each. Is going to take you maybe half hour to an hour to create. And that way you can go to various groups, various communities, and promote it. All right, guys? So let me know what you think about this method. Everything is taken care for you. That's why I really like this method. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you have any concerns. I would love to help you out. That's really my job, to help you out, to make sure you guys are executing this strategy and going out and making affiliate money. So let me know in the comments below what you think. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Give it a big fat like. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you do not miss any future videos. Thanks a lot for watching.